Welcome to the in front of me ODYS Thanos, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X icon changer app on this device. So let's just first get the application from the Play Store. So here in the search pool, enter the X icon changer, and now we should get this application. So tap to install, and after that just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So that just can take a couple of seconds. After that, just we should open the app here. And now we can see here all the available applications from our device, and now we can select one from this application and to change the icon of this app. For example, we can go with the contacts, just click to this app. We can rename the application by clicking on this just edit icon. I don't want to do that. Here we can see the library with different default icons from on our just in our application. If you wanna, we can use our device photo camera, so we can take a picture right now, or also we can select the photo from our device gallery just by watching the movie here, the film, sorry, the ads, I think. If you wanna, just you can select one from these icons. I'll go with this one. After that, just click here on the right upper corner to OK here, and just wait a second. So let's just skip the ads, click on the X icon here and tap to add automatically. Now we can click here to change next icon by the same way. So just select and just change it. Here we'll see now the new contact icon here on our just device. So here we can see the difference between these two icons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.